Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end.
Welcome to the most intimate bake-off in history. Today we're making two perfect little tea cakes. Why two? Because sharing is overrated, and these are all for you, or maybe just one special person.
Let's get precise. When you bake this small, you can't be casual.
Our chef is preheating the oven to 350 degrees, 175 degrees Celsius. Always preheat, it's the first rule of Cake Club.
In this bowl, we'll combine our softened butter and sugar. Time to cream them until they're fluffy and pale. Use a hand whisk or a fork. This batch is too small for a big mixer.
That's the sound of texture being born. Now add the single egg yolk and the vanilla. A whole egg white would make this too liquid, so we're keeping it rich.
Mix that until it's just combined. In a separate tiny bowl, we'll whisk our dry ingredients: the flour, baking soda, and salt.
Time to bring the wet and dry together. Don't overmix. We want tender tea cakes, not rubber hockey pucks.
Stop mixing as soon as you don't see any streaks of dry flour. The dough will be soft and slightly sticky.
Into the fridge for at least 30 minutes. A nice chill makes for an easier roll and a better bake. Go grab that cup of tea you're about to put those cakes next to.
The dough is ready. We're aiming for 2 cakes, so I'm going to divide this dough into 2 equal pieces.
Perfect. 2 little discs, sitting a respectable distance apart. No fighting on the baking sheet, please.
I'm brushing the tops with a little milk and a sprinkle of extra sugar. It gives a lovely golden crust. They bake for approximately 10-12 minutes. We're looking for lightly golden edges and a firm center.
And just like that, you've gone from 0 to 2 tea cakes. Let them cool on the pan for a few minutes and then transfer them to a wire rack.
Serve warm, sliced in half, and slathered with butter. Because really, what is a tea cake without a generous amount of butter? Enjoy your small, but perfectly formed, moment of baking glory.